Do you want to know what are some of the brands that are currently selling in women's short sleeve button down shirts? Today, I'm going to take you through as I research what brands to be on the lookout for. Let's go over to my computer. Now, you can do the research tab and then the product research. I really don't like using this because you're going to get some designer brands probably mixed in there, and it's not always, sometimes the things are in the wrong categories, but you can look at it as far as the sourcing insights if you wanted to. Again, I really just like using the research tab if I have a certain brand that I'm looking at. But you can look down here and then scroll, sort it by sell-through. So this does tell me, okay, there's a okay sell-through considering the rest of it is like 2% for plus size blue shirts. So maybe the next time I'm out, I want to, look extra at the blue shirts. Now you can sort by price too, but again, you don't know what brands are in there. So what I like to do instead is just go to eBay and search women's short sleeves top, button down. So I'm going to check pre-owned. I'm located in the US, so US only. Then let's filter to short sleeve. That's why it's important to put in those item specifics if you can. And I don't want to get just the cheapy stuff, so this is whatever your threshold is. I'm going to do 25. I know I probably won't find designer, so let's do 75, that price range, and then go down to solds. Then I like to sort by highest and just kind of go through here. I like to do this on my desktop so that I can open tabs and really look at the styles, kind of get more familiar with them. So I'll just go through and open a bunch of tabs. Oh, Dress to Kill. I have one, and I have some pants that are like taking forever to sell. Ooh, Vintage Jams World. Johnny Was, I know that one. It used to always sell. Glad to see that it is still selling. So I've always been on the lookout for that. And look at Wrinkled Mess, and it still got $55. All right, well, I think we got enough. So then I go over here and we're going to look at the labels, kind of see what that, okay, I haven't seen that out. And then what I like to do to see if it's just a one-off or is this, a label that, yes, I should be looking at. So what I do is then I copy the brand name, paste it into the search box. Now you can put shirt, or if you want to just see what kind of items that they do sell. And again, since I find, and then go down to pre-owned, since that's what I have usually find, and solds, and let's check out and see. Okay, so those two first ones aren't that, but yeah, a jumpsuit. I don't know why those other two were coming up, but, and then I just opened these. I always have a lot of tabs. So you could see quite a few things that get a decent price. So then let's go over here and look a little bit more. This dress, let's see what this label. Okay, so it's the same label. All right, so I definitely want to look for that. So I like to do this because then it tells me, all right, this is a thing that maybe for dresses look at, and it tells me that that wasn't just a one-off, that yes, this is a brand to be looking for. All right, now this one, KMG, here's the label. It looks okay, looks kind of nice. So again, just do the same thing, copy and paste. Okay, so good pricing. Nice. It looks like they all have the ruffle neckline. So that must be something that they are known for. Let's see if it's the same label. Sometimes, you know, brands will have a couple different labels, so I just like to check. Oh, yep, see, this one's a little different. Made in the USA. All right. Yeah. Okay, so, and this also, if you look at the description, they spelled out the initials, so some of them spell it out. All right, now on the Ralph Lauren double, if you haven't seen the what's selling in men's shirts, just stay until the end. That video will come up next. But this was all over the men's best-selling page, our first page. Even if the shirt was made in China, people were still getting a good price for it. So make sure that you are looking for that double R in men's and women's. Disney, now Disney is, okay, so this is the Disney Cruise line, because regular Disney stuff is not created equal, even if it says Disney Parks. I got some Disney things right now that is taken quite a while to sell, and I was kind of surprised. So let's just see what else they got on. Well, they got a lot of accessories, so let's put in shirt. Okay, oh, these are new. But so this gives us an idea. Blue, popular color, it appears, and yeah, so those are some of the t-shirts to look at. Zimmerman. Okay, this is a two-piece. Let's see the tag. They just showed, oh, there's the tag. Okay. Let's see what else Zimmerman has. Looks like mostly dresses and skirts. So let's look at the dresses. All right, well, a couple from Australia. Let's see, make sure, no, not new with perfection. Let's do pre-owned. Okay, some floral ones, right in style. Let's look and see if the dresses have the same label. Yep, okay. Making a mental note. By the way, if we are just meeting, hello, my name is Staci. I have been a reseller for well over 13 years probably. I'd have to do the math, but well over 10 years for sure. My main platforms is eBay and Poshmark, and I usually mostly sell pre-owned clothing. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back. And if you want more reselling content, then I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and join me here every Sunday. If you ever have any suggestions or questions that you want answered, then please feel free to leave me a comment. And now let's get back to more women's shirts and what brands we need to be looking at while we're out in the wild. Totem. Tote-me. Okay. Oh, that's kind of hard to read, huh? I don't know. I think I found maybe one or two white shirts thrifting that actually wasn't stained or wasn't aged. Looks like they have a lot of coats. So sometimes you might want to get more specific. That is from other countries. So if you're in the US like me, this might be an opportunity for us if you come across this. Oh, okay. Oh, that one's brand new. See, you got to be careful, even though, well, maybe I didn't put pre-owned, but let's just see the label. I think that you're getting the idea. I don't know if this is, if I'm going too long or if you would like to see more brands when I do these type of videos. Let me know if this is like a good stopping point or if you want to see more, but I think you're getting the idea. Let's see this Jam World. I mean, I could spend a long time doing this, but okay, let's check out this. This brand there was quite a few on that first page of this brand. So let's check this out. But yeah, let me know if this video, when it's done, I would love to know if you could give me some feedback in the comments, if you could say too short, too long, or just right. And then that'll tell me like the timing of this video if it's where you feel. Because I probably spent another like half hour looking at stuff, but I didn't want to bore you guys. So it's hard to know sometimes. And I'm an overthinker. All right, so pretty good for most of these. Okay, well then I'll be on the lookout. Let's see. Yep, same label. All right, interesting. So then I would just go through these other and do the exact same thing and kind of scroll through, see what we can find, if we're seeing any trends. Made it this far, what are some of your best scores that you have had so far? Some of your best sales? If you want to see the men's button-down shirts that you should be looking out for, you can click on this video here. And if you want to see some of my sales from January and February, you can click on this one. Now, just FYI, that's the first time I've did one of those sales videos, and the audio, I was having a little hard time with it, so I cut it short. It was picking up my computer fan, so next time the audio will be better. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the comments and next Sunday.